world. Welcome to Drawing Coloring World, where creativity comes alive. Join us for fun-filled drawing and coloring adventures that will spark your imagination. Have you ever been to the beach and seen a star-shaped creature crawling on the sand? That's a starfish, also known as sea stars. These amazing creatures are found in oceans all around the world. Starfish are not actually fish, but rather a type of animal that lives in the ocean. They have 5 arms, or rays, that are connected to a central body. These arms are covered in tiny little feet that help the starfish move slowly across the ocean floor. One of the coolest things about starfish is their ability to regrow their arms. If a starfish loses an arm, it can simply grow a new one. This is because starfish have special cells in their bodies that can turn into new arms. Starfish are also very important to the ocean ecosystem. They help to keep the ocean clean by eating clams, mussels, and other shellfish that might otherwise overpopulate the ocean. Did you know that starfish come in all sorts of colors and patterns? Some are bright pink, while others are deep purple or blue. They can even have stripes or spots. Next time you're at the beach, see if you can find a starfish. Remember to be gentle and respectful of these amazing creatures and their home in the ocean. Starfish are truly amazing creatures that are full of surprises, from their ability to regrow their arms to their importance in the ocean ecosystem. There's no denying that starfish are pretty cool. So next time you're at the beach, keep an eye out for these incredible animals.